Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's Andy back again with another recap video. And first of all, I just wanted to say that it's been pretty tough doing this new thing of editing, recording, all that good stuff. It's the first time I'm doing this, so just bear with me, guys. And little by little, I promise that I'll get better at everything, with trading, with recording, with editing. Like, I just have to take time because this is the first time I ever do something like this, all right? Well, as you can see in your screen right now, there's a trade that I took on Friday. And yeah, prior to that, I did look at my building blocks. The reason I took this trade is because there was a fair value gap and a higher time frame. I'm pretty sure it was a 4 hour time frame. I forgot. And also in that same time frame, I found an order block, which is the yellow line, and I'm pretty sure that was the two order blocks that I found. And I did look at my daily bias. We were bullish, so we were looking to buy buy at that day. But as you could see, I did. I'm pretty sure I bought it too early. I think I did. But like I said, I'm still learning. I wouldn't consider myself profitable yet. There's times I be trading for no freaking reason or just because. So there's still little stuff here and there that I need to do better. But yeah, I mean, I'm just here waiting for it, looking at the reaction of the charts and stuff like that. I mean, as we could see, we're still on green, but yeah, I mean, I'm a fast forward. I'm gonna fast forward to the good part, and then I'll be back with you guys. While you guys see the fast replay of my first trade, I'm just gonna take the time here and just talk about myself real quick. I'll be making another video more and deeper about me and why I'm doing this and all that stuff. Who am I? Why you should be hearing me or looking at my videos. Like I said before in the beginning of this video, this is the first time me doing this. This is the first time recording. This is the first time editing videos like this. So I'm not really into this stuff. Same thing with trading. I mean, I do have background knowledge about the stock market and all that stuff. But like I said, I'll make another YouTube video going more deep into that. But I mean, my name is Andy, as you guys know. I am 19 years old, just figuring out what to do. But yeah, and I just want to thank you guys for if you guys still watching. I thank you guys for watching it and taking your time out of your life to watch this. But yeah, and let's go back to the trade right now. As you could see, it's been chopping and just been consolidating there. Hasn't been doing great movements until around this time it started to rise up. I thought I was gonna hit my take profit, but later on this video you're gonna see that it didn't at that time. And when I was at this trade, one of the things I do have to get better at is fear. You're gonna see why I say that later on, but I'll admit I'm a person that doesn't like to lose. I really hate losing, and whenever I see a red candle or I see that my take profits are not getting hit or stuff like that, I start getting frustrated or start doing stupid shit, and I always fear for that. I've always been fearing for that in all type of things, in general, not into trading, but in general. But yeah, I'm fast. Well, as you could see, whenever talking about fear, whenever I ever see a red candle going down, my fear starts to grow more inside of me. Makes me want to close the trade or anything. But yeah, I'm gonna fast forward, and you're gonna see how the price went down again, and you're gonna see how my fear got into me, and I closed it too soon. I wasn't, I guess, patient enough, or to keep on seeing the market go. So just bear with me. Yeah, there's another fast forward about that same trade. But yeah, going back to what I was saying, one of the big things I have to work on is my fear. My fear always controls me at the end of the day, and I really do want to fix that up, because I can't be having the fear in trading, because if I do, I'm not gonna grow, I'm not gonna succeed more than other people, if that makes sense. And yeah, I mean, there's a lot of things I want to get better with, but like I said, I'll get more deep into that in a different video, just talking about myself and stuff like that. But if anybody's watching this and stuff like that, feel free to comment in my video, or send me a tag, not a text, but a DM anywhere on Instagram, TikTok, how it could be better or stuff like that, or what do you guys want to know about me, or anything. Like, I'm really open to it. I'm not gonna take things from you guys in a bad way. I'm actually here to learn, learn from other people, hear people, look at other people's trades, help, or whatever. Or it doesn't have to be about trading. It could be anything. It could be mentally. It could be something I could be better at, with YouTube or with TikTok. Anything. It could be anything. I'm really open with that. But yeah, I don't know what else to say, to be honest. Like I said, it is my first video, like my first real video, we could say, in YouTube. And yeah, as you could see there, that's when I get getting scared. Whenever I see that red, I start to panic. Now you're gonna see that my mouse is gonna be right next to the X mark, ready to close. As you can see, I closed it. So I took a loss, and that trade was $33. I was pretty mad when that happened. But like around 30 minutes after, 15 minutes after, I took another trade. Different spot, but it's the same symbol, same target, same everything. I just took it later on. And this is what I mean about my fear. I exit out the trade when I don't have to. Wait I don't wait because of the fear. I'm not patient with it. But we learn day by day, right? So I'm not gonna get too mad about it. I know at the end of the day, I'm gonna be a better version of myself in trading, because I've did mistakes before. But yeah, I'm gonna fast forward a bit, and then it'll be the end of the video soon. Alright, so this part of the trade, I did post it in my Instagram and my TikTok. You probably saw it from there, but it's technically the same. It'll show you the small win that I got, and again, it didn't take profit. It didn't hit my profit in that moment. But the reason I got out of the trade, sorry, for that same reason, because of fear. As soon as I saw that the trend was slowing down and started to see that it was little by little going down and down and down, I got too scared and I just closed it with that small win. And then later on that day, Friday, market did skyrocket after. So if I would have hold that trade for like probably another hour, maybe an hour and a half, I would have taken profit. It would have hit my take profit. But you know what? I mean, things happen. There's some days that I don't be scared. I'm all in. I could put my stop loss like at $500 or some shit like that. But I know that's bad. But still, there's days that I'm very confident in my trade, or some days that I'm not. And I know I shouldn't be trading if I'm not confident with what I'm gonna trade. It's pretty obvious. But yeah, I mean, you guys let me know if how this video is, or what you guys want to see, or stuff like that. Because I do want to grow this channel more. I do want to grow my accounts. I do want to grow it, but I'm gonna need your guys' help, and let me know what things that I could do better, or things that you guys want to see. Because like I said, this is the first time doing it. I'm literally doing it from my laptop and phone. I don't really have a setup. I wish I had a mic. I wish I had a face cam. Oh, I'll figure that out soon. But little by little, I'll be progressing this YouTube stuff. But yeah, as you can see, guys, over there, you see how the trend was slowing down. That's when I closed that trade. Took that little W, and yeah. But yeah, guys, that was the video for today. I'm sorry for the delay, and I'm sorry if this video is pretty ass, but like I said, I know I repeat myself a lot, but like I said, this is the first time doing this and stuff like that. I appreciate you guys if you watch the whole thing. I really do appreciate it, and I promise you guys that little by little, my videos, my explaining, my talking, my everything are gonna be way better than right now. I promise you that, guys. But yeah, I mean, thanks for watching, and just wait for the other videos that are gonna come up soon. Alright?